The last thing you should be looking like this Harmattan is like me right now. We don't do ashy and crusty looking over here. So let me put you on my Harmattan skincare routine and watch me take my face from this to this. Let's go. First thing I'm going to do is cleanse my face, and I have cleansed my face off camera. I use the Tiam low pH cleanser. So I'm going to follow up with an hydrating toner. It's not the time to be using exfoliating toner in your routine, except that is what you are going for. I'm going to be using this one from Habib Active Calming Toner. If you cannot get this, just get any hydrating toner and you are good to go. Just ensure that it is hydrating. So we are going to let it sit on our face for a while, just let it dry down. Right now I'm going for this vitamin C antioxidant concentrate. Just get yourself any antioxidant. I'm using this vitamin C. It's from a Nigerian brand called Emase. You can get any vitamin C of your choice. And the reason why I'm going to be using this vitamin C first is because of its consistency. It is quite watery. So, and you know the right way to layer products is to go from thinnest to thickest. So this is the next thin thing on my routine. Face is already looking hydrated and healthy. So we're going to let this dry down for a while. Follow up with my hydrating serum. Please get any hydrating serum. This is the time you need it. So I'm going to be using this one from Skin 1004, and it is a Centella asiatica. This one is a probiotica intensive apple. This is a time to be using your Centella asiatica, any hyaluronic acid serum, any serum that you have that it is hydrating. So I like to follow up with this one in my morning routine and even at night as well. I've been going for basically hydrating products. You can see the difference layering products makes in your routine. This is the time to bring out all your hydrating thick moisturizers that you can get your hands on. We already done like 4 steps right now. I already cleansed off camera. I use my hydrating toner. I use my vitamin C. I follow up with an hydrating serum. I'm using this one from Amish. It's the collagen enriched moisturizer. It has collagen in it, which basically helps with your skin elasticity and all of that. So I'm going to follow up with this. You guys already see how these products took my face from looking crusty to looking well hydrated and moisturized. And because this is my morning routine, I'm going to have to follow up with a sunscreen. I'm using this one, this Skin Aqua. I'm using Skin Aqua. I'm going to follow up with a sunscreen. You need a lot of sunscreen. This is not the time to skip your sunscreen. And this is also the time to bring out all those sunscreen that least dewy finish. If you are not the type that likes dewy looking finish from a sunscreen, this is the time to be using it because it's going to mattify once the Harmattan catches up with you. So just follow. Finally, guys, this is how you take skin from looking like this to this during this Harmattan season. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share this video with anybody that you know that is currently looking crusty because this video is going to help them.